What is going on, guys? UnlimitedCop here, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about botting on Nike sneakers. And before we get into the video, guys, if you don't know who I am or what I do, my name is Hunter or UnlimitedCop. I make videos going over reselling sneakers, Supreme, botting, and a whole bunch of other things. If you guys have not checked out my channel yet and this is your first video you're watching, please be sure to check out some other videos. Also, guys, I was looking at my analytics and like 80% of you guys are not subscribed. So like only 1 out of 5 people is subscribed. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, but you are watching my videos, please consider doing so. I have a lot of videos going to be coming out, guys. I'm going to try to change up my style a little bit to have some more entertaining videos. So if you guys have been enjoying my videos and you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Alright, guys, without any further ado, let's just hop right into the video. So I do want to warn you guys, Nike sneakers botting is not what it used to be. Over the past couple months, it's definitely declined a lot. In like 2018, you used to be able to have a Nike sneakers bot like Ghost sneakers with maybe like 50 to 100 accounts and be able to hit like 5 to 10 pairs. It might be a little excessive, but you would hit like 1, 3, 5 pairs at least. But unfortunately, Nike's been developing their anti-bot system very heavy. But recently, botting on Nike sneakers has definitely been coming back. I know I've been seeing a lot of success like in the UK and other countries besides the US. For the US, it's generally pretty hard to do because their anti-bot system is so heavy, but it's definitely not impossible. In this video, guys, I'm going to be going over every single little thing you guys need to know to help you guys improve your chances and get past the anti-bot system. Another thing I would caution you guys by is don't just jump right into Nike sneakers botting. I would highly suggest like buying like a Shopify bot, a Yeezy supply bot, like something else that's not strictly Nike sneakers, because a Nike sneakers bot is only going to accommodate Nike sneakers, so there's not going to be any other sites on there. Which if you're paying like $300-400 for a bot, it's probably going to be a better investment to get a bot that has multiple sites on it. I have a lot of videos going over like how to find your first sneaker bot, what sneaker bot's for you, so I'll link some of those down in the description below. So the very first thing you guys are going to need whenever you're botting on Nike sneakers is going to be Nike sneakers accounts. And just like the name suggests, all it is an account for Nike sneakers that's been verified through authentic phone number. And this is very important whenever you guys are botting on Nike sneakers, as you have authentic accounts. Make sure your accounts are ginned in the US and they have US phone numbers. And obviously, guys, if you're not in the US and you're like in the UK or a different country, you're going to want to make sure your Nike accounts are ginned in that country and they have that country's phone number in them. Because obviously, if you're like in the UK and using a Chinese account with a Chinese number, it's probably going to get picked up by the anti-bot system. You guys are going to want to be very careful with your accounts just so you don't get them clipped. And what I mean by clipped is Nike is going to automatically filter out like these accounts that have been clipped, I guess you could say. So if you're logging into the same account from like multiple times from different IP addresses, or you're just doing some weird activity, they're going to pick up on that and they can clip your account. So just be very careful what you guys do. I mean, most of the time you're going to be okay if you are using a bot with different proxies. Just don't do anything weird with your accounts and you should be good. Hey, what's up, guys? So as I'm ending this video, I just realized I didn't tell you guys about Omni accounts. Omni accounts is a new company that I'm creating that's going to provide high quality Nike accounts for you guys at a very good price. I'll leave links down in the description below if you guys want to check us out. The next thing you guys are going to want to need is virtual credit cards. Virtual credit cards are a necessity for botting on Nike sneakers just because you're only going to be able to use one payment per account. And basically what I mean by one payment per account is you want a 1-to-1 card to account ratio. So you're going to want to make as many cards as you have accounts. So for instance, let's say you have 20 accounts. You're going to go through a program like Privacy or Capital One Eno that has virtual credit cards. I have a video on that link down in the description below. Make 20 cards and then input those 20 cards into your bot, whether you're using the ShipBot, BNB, Ghost, or something like that. In some countries, you might be able to get away from like 1-to-2 card to account ratio. But generally, guys, 1-to-1 is going to be the best. So really, guys, it's not hard to make virtual credit card. You can get a Privacy account, or if you have a Capital One credit card, you can use Eno. Like I said, I have a video link down in the description. Just make as many cards as you have accounts and you'll be good to go. And the last thing you guys are going to want to need when you're botting on Nike sneakers is going to be proxies. Proxies are also very important in getting past the filtration system for Nike. Obviously, guys, you want to make sure your proxies are located in the country you're trying to bot. So if you're in the US, obviously use US proxies. Personally, my favorite proxy provider is going to be Omni Proxies. It's actually my own proxy company I've been working on for the past couple months. I've really been putting a lot of time into it, guys. So if you guys need high quality proxies, definitely be sure to check us out. I'll leave your links down in the description below so you guys can do so. Also, guys, remember to use UC for 5% off your order. So when it comes to proxies, guys, like I said, just make sure that in the region you're trying to bot. And I would highly recommend using residential proxies just because data center proxies are likely to get banned whenever you're botting. Residential proxies are going to have a little bit slower speeds, but for Nike that doesn't really matter because most of the time it's going to be draw or a first come first serve. So when you are botting on Nike sneakers, proxies are going to be a big thing. Don't just use any random proxies. Make sure you have high quality residential proxies. Now that you guys kind of know what you need to bot on Nike sneakers, let's talk about the bots you can run on them. Now the first bot we have, guys, is going to be the ShipBot. Personally, I think the ShipBot is the best Nike bot on the market. I know it kind of has a weird name, but like, don't let that fool you. It's definitely going to be the best Nike bot in my opinion. As far as other bots like BNB and Ghost, They've been doing okay recently. I mean, compared to the shitbot, they haven't been doing very well. Compared to other bots like BNB and Ghost, the shitbot definitely takes the cake in my opinion. I know it's been having a lot of success, guys, and I'm not even getting paid to say that. I'll leave links down in the description below if you guys want to check them out. I genuinely think the shitbot is the best Nike bot out of the market right now. If you guys want to see me make a whole video on the shitbot, definitely leave a comment down in the comment section below. I can walk you guys through the bot, showing you guys how to set it up, how to get your accounts in, how to make your profiles, proxies, and all that stuff. If you guys are interested in that, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or anything that didn't answer, be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. And as always guys, if it did help you guys out in any way, please leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. Like I said guys, 80% of you guys are not subscribed, so if you guys please would subscribe, it would definitely help me out a lot. And I also have a lot of different content coming out that I really think you guys are going to enjoy. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to check out my proxy company, Omni Proxies, link down in the description below. Use code UC for 5% off your order. And follow my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, all the good stuff linked down in the description. That's pretty much it guys. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.